Hello, my name is Willa. My channel is Willa at Home. There are many factors that should be taken into account when deciding what jobs to apply for, or what industry you plan on working in. One of the most valuable consideration is that of a starting salary. College graduates or candidates new to the workforce often choose careers that have a high salary, starting off to increase their overall earning potential and pay off possible student loans. Knowing which positions have high starting salaries can aid you in narrowing your job search. In this video, 25 positions are discussed with their national average highest starting salaries, as well as their primary duties. Jobs with high starting salaries may consist of entry-level roles, or positions that require years of work experience. This may include internship experience, or relevant coursework. Review this list of jobs to understand which positions align with your education and past experience. This list may help when you are considering your future career goals. 1. Registered nurse. National average salary, $33.03 per hour. Primary duties. Registered nurses (RN) evaluate and monitor patients, report symptoms and record changes to patients' medical conditions. They also administer medications, maintain medical records, order diagnostic tests and collaborate with other nurses and physicians. 2. Graphic designer. National average salary, $3,468 per month. Primary duties. A graphic designer creates print and digital marketing materials, ensures all messages match the campaign, converses with the client and sales teams as needed and presents the design in a timely manner. Graphic designers are skilled in design programs and detail-oriented to ensure materials are free from errors. 3. Accountant. National average salary, $56,703 per year. Primary duties. An accountant evaluates a company's financial records to ensure accuracy and provides suggestions to managers on how to reduce costs and increase efficiency. Accountants review tax documents, document financial transactions from customers and improve accounting procedures by taking corrective actions. 4. Social worker. National average salary, $59,455 per year. Primary duties. A social worker identifies patients who need help, reviews their mental health, provides them with emotional support and aids them in setting goals to sustain a positive mindset. They refer clients to necessary community resources for healthcare, food stamps and child care. 5. Human Resources Manager. National average salary, $72,003 per year. Primary duties. A human resources manager is involved with recruiting and hiring new employees. They conduct exit interviews and manage the company's healthcare plans. They recommend changes to company policies and make updates when necessary. 6. Lawyer. National average salary, $75,317 per year. Primary duties. A lawyer communicates with their clients about the steps of the legal process, collects evidence and represents their client in court. Lawyers review discovery documents to identify the best approach to take when representing their clients. 7. Web developer. National average salary, $75,752 per year. Primary duties. A web developer writes code to incorporate into the design of a client's website, communicates with the client about specifications and apply changes at their request. They also receive feedback from users to see if they need to improve the website's functionality. 8. Business analyst. National average salary, $78,102 per year. Primary duties. A business analyst identifies an organization's technological needs, produces budgets and reports, and monitors the performance of IT staff members. They evaluate data to bolster a company's business and technological processes as well as to generate sales. 9. Construction manager. National average salary, $82,746 per year. Primary duties. A construction manager oversees projects, making sure construction is on schedule and done according to plan. They ensure construction workers and subcontractors properly adhere to all safety regulations and maintain protocol. They report any changes and developments to clients and are responsible for training new employees. 10. Occupational therapist. National average salary, $86,349 per year. Primary duties. An occupational therapist examines a patient's medical history, observes their activity and creates treatment plans. They guide patients through exercises to test the functionality of certain limbs, evaluate their progress and recommend improvements to their sessions. 11. Physical therapist. National average salary, $88,858 per year. Primary duties. A physical therapist collaborates with patients during sessions, helps increase their mobility and assists them with managing pain following an injury or a surgical procedure. 12. Chemical engineer. National average salary, $90,409 per year. Primary duties. A chemical engineer researches methods of manufacturing chemicals using computer models to solve problems regarding chemicals, food and related products. They apply mathematical and scientific concepts to develop safety procedures for handling potentially dangerous chemicals. 13. Database administrator. National average salary, $95,025 per year. Primary duties. A database administrator oversees a company's software databases, along with user accounts and client records. They run tests on modifications to software databases, install updates and antivirus programs and track the performance of hardware and operating systems. 14. Statistician. National average salary, $95,552 per year. Primary duties. Statisticians analyze trends and information to solve organizational problems. They gather data from polls and credible sources, explain the results they found from the data and make recommendations based on your conclusions. 15. Veterinarian. National average salary, $98,119 per year. Primary duties. A veterinarian treats animals in need of medical attention, attending to injuries and helping to prevent diseases. They give medications to animals, use medical equipment and educate pet owners on the purpose of vaccinations and methods preventative care. 16. Petroleum engineer. National average salary, $103,168 per year. Primary duties. A petroleum engineer develops processes to extract oil and gas from under the Earth's surface. They design oil rigs to decrease environmental impacts and use updated technology to streamline the extraction process. 17. Computer scientist. National average salary, $103,964 per year. Primary duties. Computer scientists create and test computing languages, develop algorithms, improve computer performance and increase efficiency. They also present findings and advise the scientific community accordingly. 18. Physician assistant. National average salary, $106,204 per year. Primary duties. A physician assistant performs physical exams, diagnoses patients, obtains medical records, prescribes medications and collaborate with a surgical team during procedures. 19. Product Manager, national average salary, $106,885 per year. Primary duties. A product manager identifies potential products, provides necessary research and manages production. They hire sales employees, create sales goals, allocate responsibilities and work with the marketing department to find out if their campaigns align with the sales team's efforts. 20. Software Engineer national average salary, $108,175 per year. Primary duties. A software engineer creates software, tests functionality, develops models to write code and recommends improvement for existing applications. 21. Actuary, national average salary, $108,716 per year. Primary duties. A actuary analyzes risk within the insurance industry. They craft insurance policies based on risk, determine rates for premiums and calculate the differences between policies. They work with market research professionals to identify the demand for insurance products. 22. Investment Banking Analyst, national average salary, $122,524 per year. Primary duties. An investment banking analyst works with clients to make sure they're maximizing their investments. They meet with clients regularly to go over goals and potential investment opportunities that can expand their portfolio and increase profit. Analysts might review financial reports and the assets of prospective companies to conclude if they are a valuable investment for the client. 23. Optometrist, national average salary, $123,787 per year. Primary duties. An optometrist reviews a patient's vision to find out if they need prescription glasses or contact lenses. They keep detailed records of a patient's medical history, write referrals to other eye specialists and discuss best practices for proper eye care. 24. Data Scientist, national average salary, $124,134 per year. Primary duties. A data scientist evaluates data to better understand its meaning. They combine programming, statistics and business logic to formulate their conclusions. They track social media data to see which content impacts their target audience and provide suggestions on what type of content to create. 25. Dentist, national average salary, $203,708 per year. Primary duties. A dentist treats a patient's teeth, gums and different parts of their mouth. Dentists extract teeth, fill cavities and perform oral surgical procedures. They also write prescriptions for oral medications and give anesthetics before oral procedures. Thank you for watching. If this is your first time visiting my channel, subscribe to my channel. Click the bell to be notified of more information and upcoming job opportunities. Don't forget to like my video. And have a nice day.